So Camden Market's been a bit of a, get your words out, bit of a disaster. Foodies, correct me if I'm wrong, but stay away. I'm on the way out. Didn't like it. Pony. However, these giant pizzas, as you can see behind me, are getting slung about. They look all right, to be fair. He says, nice and thin, potentially good. Is there a saviour for Camden Market on the food front? I'm desperate to put something in my mouth today that gets me excited. You're raising your eyebrows, but she's doing funny faces behind me. Right, have a look at this pizza. Hold on. Ooh. It's a giant slice. Very, very thin. It's like a tortilla thin. Look at it. Strange. £3.
Roll it, maybe?
Look at it. Bizarre. What is this place called? Camden Pizza. Let's give it a whirl. Looks pretty... I'm just not sold.
How much is it?
£3.50, Jessica. It tastes like a sheet of rubber. A sheet of rubber. Kind of nice sheet of rubber though. Look. I'm pulling. Look at this. It's like a tough base. Like some kind of membrane. The cheese is actually on point. Other than that, that's how hard it was to eat. This is the sort of place, I'm really gutted. We've got massive pizzas up front, sort of like 20-inch jobs, with low people in it. Oh, look at the size of that. In reality, I'm lost for words. What do you think, Jess? It's just not good. We've got people going at it out here like a thirsty dog at a puddle. You know what I mean? Look at them all. Doing up, they're going mad for it.
Oh, we've putting some spice on it.
Yeah, they need some spice on it because it's got absolutely no truffle flavour in it whatsoever.
Maybe that's what you have to do. Maybe that's the secret.
Oh yeah, big secret that. Put all the spices and flavours you can on it to mask the original flavour. It's lacking in almost every department. I always try. I'm looking for the positives. There are none. Camden Market, up your game. Tourist, low quality food at top level prices. I'm getting out of here, try and find somewhere special, and that's. I'll give that a flavours kind of there a little bit. I'll give it a 3 out of 10, and that's a review. Didn't even have any drinks of specialness. Same as everyone: Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, Fanta, and something else. Up your game.